Hi, Greg here with a quick video to help you subscribe to courses on the GeoLumina website. So when you first arrive at the site here, you'll be presented with the front page, and you can then access the courses and services from this menu item. You can go to the highest level, or you can go to individual course pages below. Either way will allow you to subscribe. So I'm just going to go to the courses and services page. And that should be a high-level page giving you some background, some ideas about how to sign up for courses, and also some more links to the 3 available courses and services which we can see here. So let's pick a course. You can see that you have to select options for each of these courses. So I'm going to enroll for this dissertation skills course. So go in and select options. Once we're into the shopping cart, we then have the option to choose an option. So we can choose beta tester, full-time student, professional, unemployed. These options are not available at the moment. The course is not complete, so I've set them as out of stock. But you can sign up as a beta tester and start on the course and watch the materials get created, and also give me feedback as we go so that I can improve the course as I go. So once you've selected beta tester, you can then add that to the basket. After a few seconds, hopefully you'll see a new button appear at the top here, which is to view your basket. So you can go and view your shopping cart or your basket. Again, a few seconds just to think about that. And now we're in the basket review, so we can just check that we've got the right course here, the beta tester dissertation skills. Quantity 1, cost 0. It's 0 rated at the moment during beta testing. And once we're happy with that, we can go and proceed to checkout. Then there's just some more information you need to fill in. If this is your first time, then you'll need to set up an account. So I'm going to set some details in here. Greg Samways. No, I'm not going to use Samways. I've got that already. Let's Greg Tester. Company, let's just call it Geoffrey. I'm in France. House number, yes, let's put a house number in there. There we go. We don't need the apartment suite. I'm going to remove that. Town, city, let's call that Bouzières Galon. The postal zip code 87230. Phone 0555785420. There we go. And I'll put an email in here, a different email, just for the purposes of this demonstration, which I need to spell correctly. So with the email, then once your subscription has gone through, you'll get a confirmation sent through. You then need to set up a username and password. So I'll give myself a username, give myself a password. So that's all. Just check through. We've got everything in here, that the email is right, most importantly. And then we can continue from there. We're now into the review page, so we can just check that everything's right. We're buying 1 course, the cost is 0, so we're happy with all of that. We can now place that order. And what should happen now, once it's processed that order, is it should put us over into the My Courses area. So at the moment it's processing all of that information on the server and adding the course to your account. And we'll be able to visit that account in a few moments through this menu item here at the top. So once it's processed, you'll be moved into this page. Just check what's going on down here. We've got the right course, and we're going to be redirected to My Courses in 0 seconds. Again, it's just going to think about it for a while before it throws us into our account area. So now it's moved us into My Courses. So here we can see the course. And from here, if you click on Start, you can access the course and it will take you straight to Moodle where the course is running. In future, when you come back to the website, if you go into My Account, then it should log you into your account automatically if your browser has remembered your details. Otherwise, you'll get a login screen and you use your username and password to log in. And then you can see your account details and your orders, but importantly, My Courses. So we can access My Courses from here as well. So we're now in the My Courses area again, and you can see the courses in there, the one that we've subscribed to. And if I hit Start now, it'll take me into the course. Now, if you come back to the website and you want to add another course to your portfolio, then you need to go into My Account and sign in first before you go to the shop. And the system will then add any new courses you subscribe to your existing account. If you don't log in, you'll get part way through the process and it will tell you that your account already exists and could you please go back and log in. So much better just to log in the first place and go from there. So if I hit on this course here in My Courses, what it does then is uses all of your username and password details to take you straight through to Moodle. And Moodle is the learning management system that I'm using to manage the courses. So after a little wait, it's got itself organized, because what it's got to do is synchronize all of the details between the website and this learning management system. So now here we are in the course. You can see up here I'm signed in as Greg Tester. What you can do once you're in here is just go into your profile and add a photo and a little biography and tell us something about yourself, so that when you're engaged in activities in the course, other people can see who you are. So this is the course environment, and you can see there are various activities here. I'll be posting announcements on occasion within the course, which will come through here. This is a general discussion forum, so if you open this up, you can go in and add topics to a conversation. There's nothing in there at the moment, but there will be soon. And when you want to go back through the course, then you can go back using these breadcrumbs along the top here. So I can go back to Geoscience Dissertation, and here I'm back on that course again. So the breadcrumbs at the top are very useful to get used to using those. Then you can browse through the course. You can see each of the chapters here: the introduction, report planning, outline, project management, research, learning and knowledge management. And you'll see these are restricted, and that's because I haven't finished the content yet. But as soon as the content is finished, I will open these sections up and you'll be able to access them. And you access these sections by clicking on the down arrow in the top right here. And you can see it open up with various videos and explanations of the videos. And then maybe in this particular one, there's a Google Doc which should load up after a few seconds. And then at the end here is a discussion forum where you can post your experiences of this subject matter in this particular chapter. But do remember, as you complete each section, there's a little box up here which you need to tick just to say, I've done it. Unfortunately, with these videos, they don't automatically tick, so you just need to make sure you've ticked them, because typically at the end of these chapters you cannot move to the next chapter until you have finished all of the activities. So just make sure all those activities are open, are ticked, and once they're ticked, you should then be able to access the next chapter. So you should see the content in the next chapter. Okay, excellent. So hopefully that's given you some idea how to subscribe, how to get into the courses, and how to navigate the courses. If you've got any queries, then put a note in the discussion forum if you're in the course and you're not quite sure what's going on, or alternatively put a comment in the contact form on the website, or contact me through LinkedIn. Okay, I hope that helps. If there's anything else you need to know, don't hesitate to give me a shout. Okay, bye for now. See you on the course.